Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right for your health, but still not seeing any real results? It turns out there's a simple remedy that most people overlook which might change the game for you. In today's health conscious world, we're constantly on the lookout for new ways to improve our well being. And one natural remedy that's been gaining traction lately is using castor oil on the stomach. You might be wondering, what's the big deal about castor oil? And how can it possibly benefit our stomach health? Well, stick with me, and you'll soon find out. Castor oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, but it's only recently that its potential benefits for digestive health have come to the forefront. And trust me, the results are nothing short of amazing. But before we dive into all the good stuff, let's take a step back and look at why we need natural remedies like castor oil in the first place. The truth is, many of us struggle with stomach-related issues, and it's not just about eating too much or eating the wrong foods. There are underlying factors at play, and that's what we're going to explore today. Let's face it, stomach problems are everywhere. Whether it's bloating, cramps, or just a general feeling of discomfort, it's estimated that up to 70% of us experience some kind of digestive issue at some point in our lives. And the worst part is, traditional remedies often fall short. We've all been there, trying every over-the-counter medication, every herbal supplement, and every fad diet under the sun, only to find ourselves back at square one. The truth is, our stomachs are incredibly complex, and what works for one person might not work for another. So, it's no wonder that we're always on the lookout for new solutions. And that's where castor oil comes in. This natural wonder has been used for centuries to alleviate all sorts of stomach issues, and its effects are nothing short of remarkable. From reducing inflammation to stimulating circulation, the benefits of castor oil are vast and varied. One of the unique benefits of rubbing castor oil on your stomach is improved digestion. Imagine this. You've just had a large meal, and you're feeling sluggish, heavy, and maybe even bloated. What if there was a simple and natural way to kickstart your digestion without reaching for any medication? Well, rubbing castor oil on your stomach could be the solution. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has a stimulating effect on the intestines, promoting bowel movement and reducing inflammation. This helps your digestive system break down food more easily and efficiently, improving nutrient absorption. Some naturopathic practitioners recommend castor oil massages to relieve chronic constipation or slow digestion because it's gentle and effective. Think of it as giving your digestive system a gentle nudge, no need for harsh laxatives. Another benefit is detoxification, but digestion is just the beginning. Rubbing castor oil on your stomach can also assist with detoxification, a vital process for overall health. Castor oil stimulates the lymphatic system, which plays a key role in eliminating toxins from the body. By applying castor oil to your abdomen, you're helping to increase lymphatic drainage, promoting the removal of waste, and reducing toxic load. One lesser-known benefit is that it also supports liver health. The liver, our main detox organ, works harder when it's supported with better circulation, which castor oil helps improve. By using castor oil in this way, you're giving your liver the boost it needs to function at its best. It's like giving your body a mini detox treatment right from the comfort of your home. Another incredible benefit of rubbing castor oil stomach is reduces inflammation and pain. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Have you ever experienced stomach discomfort, bloating, or even menstrual cramps? Instead of reaching for painkillers, try massaging a little castor oil on your stomach. Castor oil's potent anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce swelling and discomfort when applied topically. Studies show that castor oil can penetrate deep into tissues, working to soothe inflammation and ease muscle tension. This is especially useful for relieving menstrual cramps or bloating caused by gas or indigestion. It's like your very own natural, non-invasive pain reliever. Plus, the warmth of the massage further relaxes your abdominal muscles, promoting quicker relief. Our fourth benefit is supports hormonal balance. Believe it or not, Rubbing castor oil on your stomach might even help balance your hormones, particularly for women. How does it do this? By improving circulation and promoting lymphatic flow, castor oil helps to regulate hormone production and detox excess estrogen from the body, which is particularly useful for women dealing with PMS, irregular cycles, or menopause. Many people find that massaging castor oil onto the abdomen regularly can help regulate their menstrual cycle and ease symptoms of hormonal imbalance. And since the oil also supports liver detoxification, which is crucial for processing hormones, it may help balance estrogen levels and improve overall hormonal health. This small act of applying oil could be doing wonders inside your body. And let's not forget about your skin health. And of course, we can't forget the skin. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids, especially ricinoleic acid, which makes it an excellent moisturizer. It deeply hydrates the skin and can help with conditions like eczema, psoriasis, or just dry, itchy skin. When massaged onto the stomach, castor oil can reduce the appearance of stretch marks, soften scars, and promote smoother, healthier skin. It's also a great option for pregnant women looking to reduce the likelihood of stretch marks. Regular application can help your skin stay hydrated and resilient. It's like giving yourself a mini spa treatment at home. Who doesn't love that? How to use castor oil on your stomach. So, how do you apply castor oil for maximum benefits? The process is simple but very effective. Start with a small amount of castor oil, about 1 to 2 teaspoons, and warm it between your hands or gently heat it in a small dish. The warmth helps open up your pores and increases absorption. Next, massage the oil onto your abdomen in circular motions, focusing on the area around your digestive organs. Take your time and use firm but gentle pressure. For added benefits, you can place a warm towel or heating pad on top of the area for 20 to 30 minutes. This helps the oil penetrate deeper into your skin and tissues, enhancing its therapeutic effects. I love doing this before bed, allowing the oil to work overnight while my body is resting and regenerating. It's not only soothing, but also helps me wake up feeling lighter and more refreshed. And there you have it, some amazing and unique benefits of rubbing castor oil on your stomach. From improved digestion and detoxification to soothing discomfort and promoting healthy skin, this age-old remedy has stood the test of time for good reason. Whether you're enhancing your self-care routine or exploring natural remedies for everyday wellness, castor oil is a powerful, all-in-one solution worth keeping close by. Once you experience its benefits, you'll find yourself reaching for it more than you ever imagined. But we want to hear from you. Have you tried rubbing castor oil on your stomach? What changes did you notice? Share your experience in the comments below. We love hearing your stories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more natural health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.